This is Darshana Gaushan with your daily news update for February 6, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. The MSCI Index of Emerging Asian Equities slipped 0.6% and was set for its worst week since November 21st with a 2.1% loss. South Korea's Kospi Index fell 1.4%, ending the week 2.6% down after snapping a 6-week winning streak. Tokyo stocks rebounded Friday, driven by dip buying and solid earnings from Japanese companies. The 225 issue Nikkei stock average ended up 0.81% higher. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was down 1.21%. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.96 points or 0.23% to 424.03. Total trade volume was down, with 57,173 shares changing hands at a total value of 265.2 million real, or almost $66,000. On the main board, 4 stocks were up, with Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ leading the market, while 2 stocks were down, with MJQ Education as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, JS Land and Picasso City Garden were up, while DBD Engineering stayed flat. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real stayed flat at 4,033 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 97.84. Turning to global commodities, oil prices rose more than 1% on Friday after a steep fall the previous day. Brent crude futures rose 1.2% to $68.33 US dollars a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude was up 1.3% to $64.09 US dollars a barrel. Spot gold gained 2.6% to $4,894.99 US dollars per ounce, while US gold futures for April delivery gained 0.4% to $4,905.8 US dollars per ounce. Looking at the crypto market, Bitcoin bounced from a 16-month low on Friday. The world's largest cryptocurrency was last up 3.3% to $65,198.20 US dollars, clawing back its losses after having slid 5% to hit a low of $60,008.52 US dollars earlier in the session. Moving on now to other business-related news. The General Department of Taxation has officially launched the smartphone-based GDT Home Tax application, providing taxpayers with a convenient digital platform to access tax services, submit information, track tax obligations, receive updates, and enhance transparency and voluntary tax compliance. The app was launched at the Cambodia Tax Forum 2026 on February 5th. Cambodia and Japan have officially inaugurated the 2026 Japan-Cambodia Kizuna Festival on February 5th, under the theme Exploring a New Gateway, the beginning of a new journey connecting Japan and Cambodia. The festival runs from February 5th to 8th and is expected to draw thousands of visitors to its exhibitions, workshops, and performances. Leaders of the ruling party of Cambodia and Vietnam have expressed confidence that the set target of expanding bilateral trade to reach $20 billion US dollars in the coming years could be achieved within 2 to 3 years. The optimism was shared during a bilateral summit at the Peace Palace in Phnom Penh on February 6th between the President of the Cambodian People's Party and the General Secretary of the Communist Party of Vietnam. That's all for today's update. This was Darshana Gaushan for B2B Asia News.